that time. It is that time, honey. It's that time. It's that time. It's the end of the day. Oh, my scalp been hurting. Hey Starlets, and welcome back to my channel. So it is the end of the day and I have already snatched off my lashes, but I wanted to go ahead and show y'all my nighttime routine, my skincare routine, how I keep my skin up looking good, because we all know that for a flawless makeup application you gotta keep your skin right. You gotta have your skin right. Skincare is so important because the makeup can only do so much. It can only look so good. It's all about what's underneath. Just the same thing with the brows. Like, you gotta have your brows clean, you know, because if you want that brow to be slay, you gotta have that brow clean. So today I'm just gonna show y'all what I do and how I go about washing my face and doing my little nighttime routine. So with all that being said, let's go. Ignore the stain on the shirt. I don't know what I was eating, what happened, but whatever. So I'm gonna take this coconut oil, and it's just some coconut oil I got from Walmart, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Just tripping on the cord. I'm gonna put this all over my face just so I can start lifting up the makeup, and I'm gonna wipe it away with some paper towel. They'll break that makeup apart. Paper towel, and I'm gonna just wipe it away. You probably want to use a paper towel that's a little soft. This one isn't too bad, but they have some that a little bit softer than this. And some people use makeup wipes. I just really like the coconut oil. I feel like it makes my skin really smooth even afterwards. The makeup wipes, I've tried a few, and they really irritate my skin, and they really dry my skin out like instantly, and I already have super dry skin, so I hate that. I got this from Target. I think they sell it at HEB though, or no, I got this from HEB. I got this from HEB. It was only about, I want to say maybe like I think it was like $7 or $8. This is what the bottle looks like. So like I said, I have dry skin, but I really don't have that many, if you can tell, I don't have that many blemishes or much discoloration or anything like that. So I just really try to get something that's light and simple on my skin, because if anything, my skin is just super sensitive. It's super sensitive. So this stuff has been working bomb for me. I have been using it for about 3 months now, and I love it. And I actually have a face mask from them that I'm also gonna put on today. And it's Get Your Glow On Skin Brightening Peel Mask, papaya and citrus. And it's so I just rinse that off, and now this is what that looks like. And I'm gonna go in again, so I'm gonna use some more. This is what it looks like after we done washed our face really good. Clean face, got a clean face, clean slate. So now I'm gonna go in, like I said, with that Formula 10.0 mask and the Get Your Glow On. So now I'm just putting the peel mask on my face, and I'm just making it pretty thick, a thick layer, because I noticed when I'm using it, if I do it too thin, it's really hard to peel off. But I don't want to do it super thick, because if it's too thick, it won't even dry. Like, it'll take forever. So yeah, so, and it says put it down to your neck. I don't put it all on my neck though. I just put it down to my jawline. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere on my face. So it's been about 15 minutes. My face is super tight. It feels pretty dry for the most part. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit more. And now I'm just gonna start like stretching my face so that I can get a place to lift up. So like, and that's pretty much what I do. And then I'll take it and just peel it off. Oh, my skin feels so good. Make sure it's like, this line is really good. Like to say it's all gentle and just the way the products feel. I love it. I'm gonna try some more of their masks. They have a ton of masks. Okay. My skin looks like after the face mask, before putting any moisture on. Yep. It's really soft and just super moisturized. Like, it feels so good. Mask. I'm gonna go in with the Farsali oil. I don't know if it's focusing. It is probably not. The Farsali rose gold oil. And prior to this, I used to use, because I mix my like I said, I have really dry skin, so I use Hydrocortisone. This is just the HEB brand, because I realized that the HEB brand had less ingredients than the name brand, the Hydrocortisone, and so I want it to be less processed as possible. So I like the fact that this one, that the HEB one, had less ingredients. So I used to mix the Hydrocortisone with the coconut oil, which is still good. This is still a good combo, and I like this. But for right now, I've been trying the Farsali oil, and I really like this oil. I got the sample size because the big one is $50. I mean, that's a steep price, and I'm a ball on a budget, okay? Balling on a budget. So I cannot be spending $60 on something that I don't know what it's gonna do for my face. I don't know if it's really gonna hydrate it. Is it really gonna make my dry patches even worse than what they are? I don't know. This is the bomb.com, y'all. I'm going to go back and give me the bigger one. It's definitely worth it. The moisture that you get, the way it locks in, the smell is like a it's kind of like an orangey kind of smell. I don't know how to explain it, but just everything about it, like, it just makes my skin feel so good. I've been using it for about a week now, and I can tell that my skin is really soft, and my skin really likes this oil. And the coconut oil was good too. It was a bit thinner though. This is a little bit thicker, and I like the thicker consistency things to really kind of, this is gonna sound crazy, but kind of cake my face, because it's so dry that it feels good when I have like layers on layers of things that kind of help it not be dry. Like right now it is super dry. Like it's not as bad as it can be, because I use that face mask and that soap, and that really helps. But let's say I would have used like a cheaper soap, like not even a cheaper soap, just a soap that doesn't work for my skin, like Aveeno or whatever that is. That does not work for my skin. If I would have washed my face with that, it would be like, it would hurt to do facial expressions like that, because my skin would be so tight. So right now it's still pretty dry, but it's not as tight as it would be. this is what I do to get my skin to be popping and to look a little flawless. You see how that little natural glow and that sheen to it. Excuse my edges and stuff. But yeah, so this is what I do. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Comment, let me know what you want to see next. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's all stay connected. You know, follow me on Instagram at Ashia.Knight and at Snapchat on Snapchat at Ashia.Knight. And don't forget, if you use some of these products or you want to share with me some good products for people with dry skin or anything like that, hit me up on Instagram, shoot me a DM, leave me a comment. Girl, let me know what's going on, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, Starlets.